John and Peter were friends. They both were graduated and they were struggling to get some job. Unfortunately, they didn't get any job. One day, when John and Peter were sitting in a park, immediately John got an idea. John told Mr. Peter, Peter, why don't we start some business? So the Peter asked, what kind of business? John told, see, why don't we buy a cow and milk every day and sell those milk to our neighborhood people? The Peter thought for a while. Peter told, yeah, the idea is good, but let me think one more time. Peter went to his home and asked his parents, this is what we are planning, can I do it? Unfortunately, their parents were opposed to that, and parents told, Peter, don't do that. First of all, doing a business is a risky one, and second, it's a cow. So if the cow get ill, you both will be in trouble. So better not to do this business. So the Peter went back to John and told, Mr. John, I am not interested to do this business. But anyway, John decided to start this, and John started that business. So he started with one cow, and fortunately, he got good milk and he could sell those milk. He got good money. He bought one more cow, and again he bought another cow. So like that, he started growing his business. After 4 or 5 years, he became an owner of a big dairy farm. One day, when Peter met Mr. John, Peter asked John, John, how could you become so successful? I'm still struggling in my life. So John smiled at Peter and told, Mr. Peter, my cow is still alive. Friends, today I'm going to talk about mental attitude. You know, our success is all depends on our mental attitude. It is clearly proven, right? So there are two kind of mental attitude. One is called positive mental attitude. One is called negative mental attitude. So at the end of this video, I'm going to give you one thing that will definitely change your mental attitude. If you are someone who has a negative attitude, who normally generate most of the time negative mental attitude, if you do this activity, if you practice this activity, you can convert your negative mental attitude into positive mental attitude, right? So stay till end of the video and take notes, right? So let us see what is mental attitude first. Mental attitude is nothing but how we see the world, right? It is something like a lens, how we see the world. So some people, they see always the negative side of the part, and some people, they see always the positive side of the part. For example, during this corona time, many people took it as a negative thing, right? Many people, the people who were owning shops, who were doing some business, they shut the business and said that, okay, there is something big pandemic is happening and we won't be able to survive, so let us shut everything and sit at home, right? But there are certain people, they took it as a positive thing. They took it as a learning opportunity. They learned something new and they converted their business into the digital one, right? So many people, like, they took it as a negative, but there are some people, they took it as a positive and they started getting a positive result, right? But if you really see, hardly 2% of the people got affected of corona in India, I'm talking, right? So what I want to say is, instead of taking more into talk is looking into the more of the negative side of the life, we should shift our focus towards the positive side. So for example, during this corona time, what are the good benefit which we got? We could stay with our family for more time, right? We could spend more time with our family. We could have a delicious homemade food many times, right? We could learn a lot of things. In my case, like, we have shifted completely into online education, which actually giving a comfort level to my students as well as to me. Like, sitting at home, I started taking classes. I started teaching my students. Same way at their end, they started sitting at their home and started learning, right? And even the cost of operation, basically, and the normal fees what we are charging, right, it has actually came down, because our cost of operation has come down. Previously, when we used to take massive class at massive seminars and workshops at different hotels and all, the cost of operation used to be too high and the effort used to be too high. Now, since everything is digital, even the cost of operation has come down, and even that could actually pass to my students, right? Previously, people used to pay an X amount. Now, hardly they are paying a X divided by 3. That's how the system now changed, right? So, what I want to say is we need to focus more on the positive side, right? Even it's not only in this scenario. Even if you go to any corporate, any company, majority of the people, you can see that majority of the employees, you can see that they always talk about negatives, negative about their boss, negative about their company, negative about their industry, and these are the people, they're never able to grow in their life. But you see, certain people are there are certain people, they normally talk all about positive things of that office, maybe positive thing about the boss, positive thing about their company, positive thing about their industry, right? These are the people, they normally grow in their life, right? They're the people, they keep on performing their life, and they grow in their life, they get promotions, they get salary hike, they get good bonus, incentives, and they grow in their life, right? So if you really want to achieve success in your life, what I want to say is you must shift your mental attitude from negative to positive if you are someone who is having a negative mental attitude, right? Again, let us come back to the corona time itself. I told many people they took into negative, but there are many minor people, they took it as a positive, and still they converted their business nature or whatever into digital mode and still running it, right? If you see Mukesh Ambani, he has raised millions and millions of dollars during this time, right? Many business, online business, they all grown like anything, right? So always think that there is an opportunity. So the negative people, negative mental people, attitude people always see negative things in the life, right? They always see problems. They will be always able to see the problems in their life. But the positive mental attitude people, they will be always see the opportunity in front of them, right? So it's just like a lens, as I told, it's just like a lens, how we see our life, right? So concentrate, always try to act as if like you are a positive mental attitude person, and you are only seeing positive part of the life, right? Maybe there can be, see, a life will not be always in the same level, right? There will be a lot of ups and downs, right? Which is not in our control. Some things are not in our control. So whenever any dips happen, we must understand that it is a part of life, and we must try to understand something, we must try to learn something from that and convert into positive things, right? So it is not only to become successful in our life, so mental attitude even has a direct proportion to our health, right? So if you have a negative mental attitude, even the chances to get your immune system bad or immune system collapse is too high. So I will tell you today one study which was done at Harvard, and how our mental attitude actually impact on our health, right? A scientist took a group of students, and he took into his laboratory and measured the antibody level presence in saliva. You know what is antibodies? Antibodies are the proteins which help our immune system to grow up, right? So what they did is they took the saliva of all these students and counted how many antibodies are present in the saliva, and they measured and noted in a book. Then he took these students into a theater. Inside the theater, he played movie of Mother Teresa. You know, Mother Teresa's movie will be something which normally spread a positive message to everyone, right? And after the movie, again he took all these students into the laboratory, and again he measured the antibody level presence in saliva. And he was expecting all the students' antibody level would have gone up. But unfortunately, the result what he got was of mixed. Some students' antibody level went up, some students' antibody level came down, some students' antibody level remained the same. So the scientists got confused. What happened? This is not what I was expecting, right? Then again, he went and asked the students, what have they learned from this movie? And he told to write down in a paper. So the students who gave a positive feedback about the movie, what he found was their antibody level went up, and students who gave a negative feedback about the movie, their antibody level came down, and students who gave a neutral view or couldn't understand properly, their antibody level remained the same. So the study concluded that even our mental attitude has a direct proportion to our health, right? It directly it directly affect our immune system, right? So friends, it's very important that we must keep a positive mental attitude within our system, right? So today I'm going to give you one activity that will definitely change your mental attitude, right? So what I want all you to do is, it's a practical thing. So I want all you to practice this, right? Then you definitely will get the result. So what I want all you to do is, you take a 100-page book. So you must take a fresh 100-page book. Okay, take a 100-page book, and in each page, on the top of the page, what you need to do is, you need to write down the person whom you know. Maybe it started from your mom, your dad, your wife, your kids, your siblings. So each page you should take it for one name, right? So by finishing the book, you would have 100 people's name in the book, right? These are the 100 people. They are very close to you. It can be your colleagues, it can be your friends, it can be your managers, it can be your mentors, it can be your neighbors, anyone, right? So 100 names will be there in the book, right? And every day, at least minimum five, and maximum whatever number you can do, write down positive qualities of these people. Maybe today first day, what you need to do, you need to take the book, write down 100 people's name, and second day onwards, take first page and write down some 5 minimum or 10 maximum, or whatever maximum possible. Write down their positive qualities. What are the positive qualities present within them, okay? And maybe how they helped you in your life, whatever it may be, right? So write down in that book. So maybe for one day, if you can actually write a 2 people's positive qualities, within 50 days you will be able to complete this exercise. And you see within that 50 days how your mental attitude started changing it. So that whenever you start meeting those people, even if you see some negative things they are doing, automatically your mind will turn into that positive things which you are written in your book, right? So I want all you to do this activity and see how the results happening in your life, right? So friends, after doing this, maybe within 50 days or whatever, once you complete this, send me the feedback, how it's changing in your life, how it's affecting your life, right? So friends, this is for today. And before winding up, I want to invite you all for my master classes. I have scheduled a couple of master classes. So the link to attend the master classes is there in the description. So click on the link and register for the master class, and let us meet at the master class. So thank you very much. If you're not a subscribe the channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the like button, comment in the comment box, and share with your loved one. So thank you very much. Wishing you all a happy and successful life.